Hi, Cami here. Today we are going to do bridge breathing. We'll do this for 2 minutes, and it's from Jeff Chambers. It's a really helpful way to rebuild the connections between our limbic brain and our cortical brain. So that's what the bridge is referring to, is rebuilding those bridges between our sensing and feeling brain and our logical brain. These bridges can get kind of blown up when we experience adverse things, traumas, and so on. So if you'd like to do some bridge breathing, start to tune in to your own everyday breathing just for a moment. And then get ready for your first minute. Count your breath cycles. Inhale, exhale is 1. Inhale, exhale is 2. Count your breath cycles for the next minute, starting now. Stop the counting and let the counting go. So you won't be counting anymore. For the next minute, sense and feel your own breath. Notice, where are you aware of your breath in your body? Maybe in your nostrils, maybe in your throat passageways, your chest, your torso, front body, back body. Just notice, where do you feel your breath? How does your breath feel? For the next minute, starting now. And let that go. That is the bridge breathing, as I learned it from Jeff Chambers. And that's it. That's the practice. So overall, this takes 2 minutes, 1 minute of counting, 1 minute of sensing and feeling. There are more things to bring in and add on and all of that, but that can give you a really strong foundation to start rebuilding these connections between your limbic brain and your cortical brain. Please like this video if you found this valuable, and I'll see you next time. Bye.